I've got some very important news to be discussing with you in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if cryptos are headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I am an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of the top cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know when I'm ready to buy and sell so that you guys can as well. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I go over your portfolio and a lot of other services. With the #1 profiting community on Patreon, you're going to want to get in fast before the price goes up and before all spots fill up. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit any amount, even just 1 penny, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. So see how much you win. And if you love cryptocurrencies, subscribe with the bell rung, tap that like button. It really does help with the growth of the channel. And what are you guys currently holding, and what do you want to hold more of, and why? Guys, every time we have a recovery here, we continue to go down even further. However, this is bringing in new retailer investors, which are very powerful to stabilize the marketplace. However, right now, this volatility is what we're taking full advantage of. The volatility is what allows us to make money time and time again, buying at the dips and then selling at the peaks, because with every dip, we must have a peak, and with every peak, we must have a dip just thereafter. Guys, with the stock market going down right now, based on the new variant, that's what's pulling cryptos down as well. Guys, people are confused, thinking that cryptos should be coupled up along with the stock market. However, it's a whole nother animal. The fact is, people use cryptos as a hedge against inflation. So when the stock market goes down, when inflation gets even higher and the dollar becomes worth less and less, that's when you need to start putting your money into cryptos, since cryptos have been going up every single year historically, and the US dollar continues to go down, being one of the worst possible investments you could possibly make, to leave your money in the US dollar. Guys, for Bitcoin, if it continues to crash, our next level of resistance is going to be just $22,000 for Bitcoin. Guys, these are incredible levels to get in at. These are the levels you're going to start seeing smart money, big institutions pour millions and billions of dollars into the crypto marketplace, into the Bitcoin marketplace, because they know that it can only go up from there, reaching all-time highs once again above the $80,000 mark that we reached just a few months ago. Guys, we haven't seen so many red days in a very long time. Could this spell disaster? Well, I believe that it will only get the small retail investor to buy in, more people to buy in at these attractive prices, especially when they look back on the history of cryptos. The top crypto experts out there, including myself, know that this is the time to get greedy. Guys, a huge crypto article came out titled $130 billion wiped off the crypto markets in 24 hours as Bitcoin and Ethereum dropped to multi-month lows. Guys, this is all because of the fear regarding interest rate, inflation, and the variant, and people thinking that the economy is just going down from here. However, it will have an inevitable recovery. Guys, another article came out titled S&P 500 hits correction as Wall Street slides into a white knuckle zone. Market volatility comes as investors fret over inflation, interest rates, and rising geopolitical tensions. Guys, these things are continuing to push the market down. However, it's inevitable for a massive recovery, like I've been saying. It could happen any second now, so you want to be sure you're positioned very well before it does. And guys, as we take a look at the Ethereum charts, we can see that a cup and handle is forming. Guys, just after this massive drop right here, we come up to form a cup and handle. Just right here, the handle and the cup. Guys, it's an incredibly bullish symbol, and I believe that we're only headed up from here. So you want to be positioned very well before that does happen. So you want to be ready for that when I call it out. You want to have some cash on the side to buy the dip when it's steep enough that I call it out, and be ready to sell when we reach our cycle top. So if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit even just 1 penny, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you love cryptocurrencies, tap that like button, subscribe with the bell rung, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.